Hey Pure Family, welcome to another tutorial. Today we're going to walk through how to find your reward points on your account. So in the new system, you just have to log in. We're already logged in as an IBO. And just hover over this arrow here, click on My Account, then click on Rewards Points. And on this page you've got your reward balance, your balance history, and the balance history is broken down from reward points amount to the dollar amount to the reason why the PAR points were added, as well as the date that these reward points were added to your account. So it's really easy to keep track of all of your reward points. If you're ever wondering how many reward points you have, you can access it while you're logged in to your account on livepure.com. If you'd like more information on reward points, you can reference our knowledge base FAQs on the site, or you can chat with our bot. The bot is a great resource for quick information and quick responses to any questions you may have. In the next tutorial, I'll be showing you how to redeem reward points on the new site. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you then.